Good morning. What do you see?
Jack.
Jack is back. What a silly, silly guy. Layla, look what I made for your class. You want to take that?
Yeah.
For your class?
I'm back.
Layla's teacher loves Dr. Seuss.
Jack.
So I made his little countdown. How cute is that? Because it is time to count down to Christmas. You look cute. Braylee held the fort down while we were gone. Took care of things. Thank you. You were the bestest and I missed you. And now it's Vlogmas. You ready?
Oh yeah.
You ready for Vlogmas?
Look at Jack.
Your hair looks so cute.
Thanks. What the heck?
Good morning, Rosie. Good morning, my little sweetheart. Wow. Oh, dang.
Yes. Are you actually gonna do it, Dad?
All day.
I just worked out. It's been a very, very, very long time since I've worked out. Not because I didn't want to. It was just like finding motivation to do it. And let me tell you, going out with the boys in the cold and the snow and trying to hike around was all the motivation I needed. I was like huffing and puffing and like needing to take breaks, and they were just like cruising around like it was no big deal. And I was like, my heart is going to explode. Like I am so out of shape and I can't even stand myself right now. Normally do I approach working out like, oh, I want to maybe look a certain way, get a certain outcome from these exercises, and you know, with really like weight loss and how my body looks as the goal. I'm reevaluating that, and I am now going to make my first priority in working out just to be in better shape so I don't get tired, and it just feels so good to exercise. When I exercise, I don't know why I stopped. I love to run. I love like working my body and feeling that. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful for that realization. It was the kick in the butt that I needed, and now I'm gonna get back on a better routine. And also I'm going to get my tooth fixed in like an hour and a half. So I'm excited to not have this situation anymore. I still just can't believe it. I felt like this was like a possibility, but just when it happened, I was like, no. And even it happened during the night and I fell asleep, and in the morning, the first thing I thought was, maybe that was a dream. I was like, dang it. Definitely not a dream. Definitely still chipped. Okay, I'm on my way. Get the situation taken care of. I got my tooth fixed. It was so easy and quick, and I feel so much better. I'm so grateful. Now we're buying some fingernails so we can do Bray Bray's nails. We've been meaning to do them for a while now. We bought some nail polish that we haven't used. So we're gonna get some nails, and then we'll show you the nail polish color that we bought. I'm also returning some items that Layla snuck into the cart last time I was checking out at Sally Beauty Supply. I told her she could pick something, and instead of picking one thing, she picked two things, and then she got 0 things. This red lipstick. I would let her get this for sure, fine. It was like $9, which is ridiculous. If I would have known that, I probably wouldn't have let her get it. And then she also threw this in, which was also like $9. So when I paid, I was so confused why it was so expensive. But I mean, when you go anywhere with kids, especially like Sally Beauty Supply is a smaller store, everything is chaotic, so you're just in a hurry, and I wasn't paying attention. And then I got in the car and I was like, why was that so expensive? And I was like, oh, because Layla got 2 things that were both kind of expensive, so I'm returning those also. Don't sneak things in your mom's cart even if you want it really bad. Oh my gosh! Casey put my gum in here. Do you remember this gum? Mm-hmm. Candy cane?
I took some this morning.
It's so good. I had it in his truck. That was nice of him. Okay, let's go get some nails. And also, I forgot to do a Christmas countdown. I just like totally forgot. I was gone longer than I had planned on being gone, and I didn't get it done. And the kids were like so excited because it's something that I always do. I really enjoy doing Christmas countdowns. Drop the ball. So I'm gonna go and get a few little things, because even though it is December 1st, it's okay. I can get that wrapped up, taken care of, and we'll start the countdown when I'm finished with that. That sound good? Yep. Yeah, that's fine. I have the cutest kids ever. I'm putting together this Christmas countdown, and Winston thought it would be fun to get these. and they could open one a day for the countdown as part of the countdown. And look at these guys just being good sports about I'm also giving them.
I think we're more excited than the little kids are.
You are?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
They're really cute. I actually like buying these things because I
Ours
always
only
want
have
to
5
know.
and then Mom said, can I have the one with 7? Because that's not fair because we're not little kids. Yeah,
Sorry.
that's what I said.
It is fair.
What if everyone got 6?
Don't look.
What if everybody got 6 from?
Except for Gage. Because there's only enough for 3
No,
people
this
to
one
get
only
6.
has 6. This one has 7.
Yeah, so give one of the ones to me and we'll all have 6.
You
Look,
are
some
opening.
Rex.
They have doors. That doesn't work.
I want Rex.
I hope you get Rex then.
There's
I
a
want
Rex in
Bing
this
Bong and
There's no
Slow.
Rex?
Oh.
Is there a
Oh.
Rex on
I
this
said you
one?
can have my Rex if I get
Oh,
it.
because there is a Pixar one also. These are for the Polar Express.
Right now?
Oh, that's from the Polar Express.
It's like
Yeah, it's for the Polar
7.
Express. We're going tomorrow.
We're wearing them.
Yeah. You don't want to?
Well, don't you think people are going to be like dressed up?
No, I think everyone wears pajamas. It's a Polar
Oh.
Express. What the heck do you think
Well,
you
I
wear?
was supposed to take so much stress off my shoulder because I didn't know what to wear.
Oh, really?
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna wear like some like.
I was gonna wear my Lonely Ghost sweatshirt.
I'm worried that your pants are going to be small.
I'm trying
It'll be
more.
fine. Those would fit me, and I have higher hips than Gage.
Brother does have
Gage
higher-
is so tall all of a sudden.
Stand up.
Like, so tall.
Just follow what we're doing, I can do.
Yeah, you are bigger.
Like, look how high my
Two.
hips are compared to Gage's.
Oh, weird. Gage is like me.
I also have higher hips than you and Dad.
I still have a big butt though.
Gage. I forgot I had this too. I ordered it a while ago so that when we put
It's
the
in our
Christmas
cute
tree up,
little
it turns the
things.
Christmas tree on. How cute is that?
Gage.
Give it a 10.
It was under my seat. We thought one of my friends stole this.
Oh man. Okay. Back to it. I also have like a family activity. Like these are things that I would do normally, you know, throughout the month, but it's so exciting to like open this. I'm gonna wrap it. You know, just little treats. I do count this as a Christmas present for me also, because all of these little things add up so fast. So, but I'm missing Casey and Gage's pajama top, and now I'm worried that I didn't order it. I thought it was in this box, but that's the light switch. So now I'm a little worried. I'm a little concerned about that, but we'll find it. It's fine. We'll figure it out. Casey made some yummy dinner. Oh my gosh, I'm making you guys wait longer. No! First day.
No!
This spread. Nice. Casey got pretzel bread and cheese, some soup. Yum. Yum. You ready for a countdown?
I'm ready.
Who's ready for a countdown? Woo! Okay, I was gonna wrap these and then I just ran out of time. But you're not opening it all right now. Open it and I numbered them. Okay, so you can open number 1 right here, and then you can open number 1 right here. Okay, and then you have to wait until these days to open the other ones.
Can I open it?
Yep. Yes, Peter.
It says no.
Open it. Was that number 1?
No, it's number 7.
Mama!
Oh, cute. Who did you get?
I don't know. Let me look.
Let me look.
Let me look. And then once you guys have all of them, you can trade too.
Yes!
Who did you get? Let's see.
Ross
Cute little bag.
the top.
Oh, that's
Wait, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna.
I feel like you got Tweedle.
Tweedle!
Winston got one of them.
Just Tweedle.
Is his
Tweedledee or Tweedledum.
is his tongue sticking out?
No.
Oh, you got Tweedledee.
Did you get Tweedledee also?
Yeah.
Okay. Who did you get? Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Who is it?
That's somebody from
No.
Prayer from Turning Red.
What is she? Oh, she's a from Tinkerbell. She's a fairy. All right, that's number 1. I know it sucks. You have to wait for the rest. It's a countdown.
It says 5 right here, but there isn't.
Tomorrow is another present that I'll bring down. So you just have to, we'll just keep these put somewhere, and then your next one isn't until day number 5.
Mine is 2.
No, yours is day number 5. I made sure to keep these the same. Everyone opens them. You just have an extra one.
I can't wait for number 9.
Yeah, because you have a 14, and these guys will get something different on that day.
Let's go. I I'm gonna go get my collection. Like,
But nice. And then
This is
Braylee
my
and
first
Gage got some too.
collection.
So once you guys get all of yours open, you can trade.
this is
Yeah.
my first one.
Yay! Braylee's home.
Did Gage
Oh yeah,
take my
that
bus?
is
Oh,
Layla's. Okay, yeah, just keep it
this
on.
one?
So you can open one of those. If there's 2 pouches in there, you can only open one.
I only has 4. That's really rude.
There are 2 in that one, I think.
Really?
I don't know what this one is. Oh, that's cute. What is it?
Mine was
Oh my
No, I'm
gosh!
keeping my
They're
keys.
like travel. They're travel ones, so look, he's ready. Lucky, lucky, lucky. That's what everyone wants. I have to show Gager. Cute. I don't think that I have it in me to put the Christmas tree up, but I do have this spot cleaned out. So when we get back from Polar Express, maybe tomorrow I'll fill up to it. Tonight I do not, but I am going to put a few Christmas things up, so it feels a little more Christmassy in here. I just brought this up, one of my favorite things. I love that so much, it's so cute. And then I think I'm gonna just do like the mantle, and I have some garlands that go around the window. Honestly, I love a flocked Christmas tree, but it makes such a mess, so I know that I'm not just gonna be putting the Christmas tree up, I'm gonna be putting the Christmas tree up, and then I'm gonna be cleaning flock. So, I'm gonna save that for another time, not tonight, I'm too tired. I didn't get much, but I did get this. I love this, this is one of my favorite things at Christmas time. And that's so easy. I did start on the mantle, but I can't remember what I did last year. So I'm pausing right here. I feel like I did something like lower. I know I did the bells and I need to get those, but I can't remember the rest. So we're gonna finish that.
If you guys think that's a fake elf, it's actually real.
It's actually real. Oh my goodness. That is a silly elf.
Yeah, he's like always getting into stuff.
He's kind of in the way though, because I have some stuff that I need to put right there, but I can't because Jack's there, so.
You can move him like this. You could turn
he's in
him
the way.
upside down.
Hopefully he moves, and then I'll put my stuff there. Anyways, we gotta start. Have more than we did before. I still had Thanksgiving stuff out. All right, you ready for bed?
Yeah.
And you're in Halloween jammies? What? And we're gonna read a Christmas story and go to bed.
I got Christmas books.
Oh yeah, you did get Christmas books. That was good. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.